Welcome to the big music game, Big Beat Sheet. Level 1. The goal of this game is to be able to rock the rhythms along with this jam track. The rules are simple. You have to remember to play and say each rhythm that you read. We will play the rhythm by clapping, and we'll say the rhythm by saying the note values. Here's round 1 so you know exactly what to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, whole note, hold it. For each round, we will say and play it together, and then you'll do it again on your own. Let's do round 1 again to get us started. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, whole note, hold it. Remember to say it and play it. 1, 2, your turn. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note. Whole note, hold it. Half note. You're crushing it. 1, 2, your turn. Round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold it. Whole note, hold it. Whole note, hold it. Half note. Whole note, hold it. Half note. Whole note, hold it. Half note. Nice work. Keep it going. 1, 2, your turn. Round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note, hold it. Half note. Whole note, hold it. Whole note, hold it. Whole note, hold it. Whole note, hold it. Half note. Sweet! 1, 2, your turn. No, you didn't. Yes, you did. You just knocked out another big music game level. Congratulations.